Okay, so I'm bracing the rain to go and make tamales at my parents' house. I'm leaving right now. And yeah, so I guess I'll see you at my parents' house. Let's go. Okay guys, it is about to go down. We are gonna make tamales for 2023 Christmas. Oh, yes, and then also look, I showed him in the video for a quick second, but he's just so like much smoother. I don't know how to explain it, but just like so much smoother, and just like brushed and cleaned, and he just looks so handsome. We are done with the mole and the turkey ones, and now we are on to the strawberry.
Not the strawberry.
We're doing both.
Oh, we are? Okay.
She's like, give me the strawberry one.
What's the strawberry?
Anyways, I'm gonna get back to it now.
I think we can tell each other they love each other.
Yeah.
We are. Oh, so how'd the photo shoot go?
Well, I mean, I told him that we could have done it by ourselves in the park.
Well, but I brought you a little something.
I am sorry that this video wasn't as eventful as I thought it would be. I have been struggling with my anxiety this week, and I just really need to talk it out with Diego. Talked it out with my parents today, but I think talking it out with Diego is gonna help a lot too, and I'm hoping that tomorrow I'll have a better day and it should be a lot of fun. I'm going on a trolley Christmas ride, praying that it doesn't rain tomorrow. It says it's supposed to, but I'm hoping that it doesn't. Anyways, that is all. I just wanted to add that in here because I feel like if I don't let you guys know how I've been feeling, the videos are just not going to be the same. And yeah, so see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video.